So this is a plug-in hybrid Niro, and we have a concern right here. Customer reports she accidentally put washer fluid in the coolant reservoir because her washer fluid was low. So now what we have to do is we have to lift the car up, fully drain all the coolant out, and refill it, bleed the system so that we make sure she has good heat. And then we'll actually fill up her washer fluid, which is kind of right in front of her coolant reservoir. And then we'll go from there. And this is why you should always come to the dealership, even if it's something as simple as having your washer fluid low. Swing by, we'll top it up for you. It's not a problem at all. Even if you give us a quick call, if it's something as simple as just filling your washer fluid up, we have no problem jumping out in the parking lot and filling your washer fluid up for you here. Now that the coolant's drained and flushed out, undercover is reinstalled. Now we're just going to lower the car. We're going to fill up the reservoir because it's a pressurized system through the reservoir. So that's where you top up your coolant. What we'll do is we have to hook our scan tool up so that we put it in engine only mode. This particular car is pink coolant, long life. As you can see, that's full, so we're gonna have to get the tablet here. Right now, it's just the hybrid system that's running. This vehicle is on, it's just a hybrid system that's running. That is not the system we need running, so we're gonna have to go into our tablet and manually activate just the engine side of it in order to bleed the cooling system. As you can see here on the scanner, it's what we call an engine test. So we're gonna do that. And then we are gonna click run. So now that that's good, now we're just gonna keep topping it up until it stops going down. The bubbles here that are happening, those are all the air pockets releasing so that the coolant can flow all the way where it needs to be inside of the engine. So yeah, realistically, it's just kind of like a waiting game now. You keep topping it up. Once it gets to the low mark, you keep topping it up to the max mark, and essentially until it stops bubbling. And then once you're at a steady flow rate, we're gonna go in, we gotta check the heat of the vehicle, make sure we have proper heat. And then that pretty much concludes your cooling system service on at least a hybrid vehicle anyways. Just for a regular naturally aspirated engine, it's a little more simpler because you don't have to use our scan tool to activate the motor. Something as simple as washer fluid. If you're not very car friendly, you don't know much about cars, give us a call. We have no issues at all coming outside, filling up your washer fluid for you, and giving you a smile and a wave and telling you have a wonderful day.